God, Creator of all, we adore and praise you. Give us your wisdom that we may study well, obey our teachers and parents, and be honest in our behavior. Keep us in your loving care and help us to love and serve our brothers and sisters. Teach us to be good always and do good to others and become a faithful citizens of our motherland. Thank you.
Respected parents and my dear loving children, happy morning and I wish you a very wonderful day. Today I will tell you a small story of a lonely elephant that was in a forest. She was alone, so she used to go around the forest eating, moving around, sleeping alone. So she felt so tired of being alone and lonely. She thought she would go to other animals and request for friendship. So she approached a tortoise. Tortoise, looking at the elephant's eyes, said that, "I am sorry, I can't be your friend because you are too big." Then the elephant moved ahead and met a rabbit. Asked rabbit, "So can you be my friend? I am alone. I would like to be in the company of someone else." So rabbit, looking at the size of the elephant, bit frightened, said, "I am sorry, I cannot because you are too big." Then the elephant moved ahead and it met a lion and asked lion, "Can you be my friend?" Lion also said, "Oh, your size is too big and we do not match, therefore we cannot be friendly. And besides that, my friends would not be very happy to have you as a friend of mine." So the elephant was quite unhappy and sad and went alone into the forest, into the interior parts of the forest. After a few days, all the animals were frightened and they were all gathered at certain place in the forest because a tiger was chasing them to catch them and eat them. And seeing that, the elephant inquired what happened. So all these animals came closer to the elephant and bent down, bowed down before the elephant and requested, "Please be with us, please be our friend and save us from the tiger." Because the animals knew, seeing the size of the elephant, the tiger cannot come near and tiger is also a bit afraid of elephant. So if these smaller animals remain around with the elephant, they can be saved from the attack of the tiger and the tiger would go away. So the elephant said that, "When I approached you one by one, you all refused to have my friendship because of my size. Now you want me to be your friend or want to save you from your danger. However it be, I accept. Surely I shall protect you. You come behind me, I shall face the tiger." And that's how, seeing the elephant, the tiger went away. My dear friends, little children and parents, it is like this in our life also often. We keep away people because of certain differences, colors, caste, creed, religion, money, regions, all that. But the fact is that God has created each one with unique potential, talent, skill, and therefore each one has an important role and they have their own importance. And we need to accept and understand that. And irrespective of all the differences, once we accept each other and then live in that cohesive, coexisting manner, it becomes so beautiful, life becomes safer, happier, more peaceful. I wish and I believe we also overlook the differences, I ignore the minor differences and open our hearts and mind to accept persons in spite of the deficiencies in our life, among our neighborhood, in our own home, in our classrooms and in our workplace, so that we may have a better, happier, more peaceful life. Thank you. God bless all.